Hello, my name is Jose Guzman. I am from Bogota. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. I am thanatologist. I am a food engineering student. I am 47 years old. I am a single father. I live with my mom and my young daughter. My mother's name is Esther. She is 67 years old. She is from North Santander. She is a good person. My daughter's name is Brady. She is 16 years old. She is from Bogota. She is an 11th grade student. She is cute and smart. We have dog and the cat is pet. The cat's name is Bonnie and the dog name is Kyra. I have one sister. Her name is Gloria. She is a housewife. She has 4 kids. Kevin, 22 years old. Santiago, 20 years old. Mariana, 16 years old. And Ethan, 10 years old. They are my neighbors. My house is medium. There isn't a big bed in my room. There is a big fridge next to the door. There is also a big TV in the living room. There is a sofa in the living room and there a big TV on the table, and under the TV there is a DVD player and a sound system. In the study room there are 2 computers, a video record and many books.